Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Telegram this channel cannot be displayed. It's super easy guys, so let's get started. We will not open or go to our Telegram app, but open your Google browser or any internet browser. Now you'll need to search web.telegram.org and sign in your Telegram account. So I've already signed in my Telegram account here. So once you're signed in, notice the three horizontal line located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and tap on settings. Now this will show your profile setting. You just need to go to privacy and security and scroll down until you find sensitive content. You just need to disable filtering by clicking on the box beside it. There you have it. You already disabled the sensitive content filtering, so it shouldn't show you anymore. This channel cannot be displayed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.